So we're trying to knock this out. So the game plan is that we're gonna show you how exactly we do this and how we do it right. It's nice.
Big YouTube channel coming on the move, goddamn. YouTube channel coming on.
Alright, so we already got the sucker jacked up. They're on 4 jack stands.
You know, big goofball shit right now. Big goofball shit. Shut him!
So we're on
I didn't think y'all heard me.
So we're on jack stands, all 4. Get sucker red prepped up. We're gonna take all the wheels off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start taking I guess the rear first, because it's actually easier. We might just do the front, we don't know yet, but we're gonna definitely start working on this. The best part about this whole scenario is the fact that this is already set up, so it's literally like a plug and play. So we get the old one out, and then we put the new one in, and then all we have to do is just adjust. And then after that, you know, Jason to go home with his new suspension setup.
Ooh, I'm gonna be zipping. I'm gonna be zapping. And I'm gonna be drifting.
The rear is pretty much straightforward. All we have to do is remove the strut, loosen the bolts, drop this lower control arm, get that spring out, put a new shock in with the adjustable spring, put everything back together. And that's that. And so the rear is really easy. A lot less moving parts, but let's get this done. So we got the rear shock. So the one that one is the bad one, the old one. That's actually factory. That is the what is this again? What's that again? What kind of shock is that again? Megan Racing.
Yep.
Megan Racing shocks. That's the stock.
BMW.
So look how sad this is. Hey, go ahead and compress that one, the old one.
Hold on, let me pull it out.
Oh, he can pull it out. That's even worse.
You can pull it
with your own arm strength.
Yeah.
And then you press it down. Look at that. That's gone.
You don't even need a car. It just does it by itself.
Yeah.
Big depression. Big depression on the move.
And then Jason's clearly, there's no flipping where you can do it. It's ready. It's strong.
Nah, bro. That shit ain't working, bro.
Alright, so this is a spring comparison.
On the move.
So they're
These
pretty
some
much
God speeds right here.
Yep.
They pretty good themselves.
God
They're
speeds.
pretty good, man.
But is it bent? Look a little slant. Boy.
And then you have on a
Megan Racing.
but they're pretty much the same height. And with the fact that it's adjustable, you can have it anywhere you like it. So yeah.
I'm just hoping for my height. Like, I just want it to be flush with the wheel well and not like tucked in.
Yeah.
So if I get it like flush, woo, my life would be gravy.
Alright, so we finally installed it. We already installed the shock. And the spring.
Check the.
So everything is straightforward, easy. I'm about to do another one. Yeah. Alright, so we finally got the rear done, so we're about to do the front. So the front's pretty much straightforward. Bolt for the sleeve and 3 nuts on the top. And then you just, pull it out. So this is what we're looking at.
Bro, that difference is heavy.
So,
goddamn.
Bro,
yeah.
look at that difference, bro.
That difference is retarded right now. Like,
Just that height.
Yeah.
Like the height is ridiculous, so that's a huge drop. We're definitely gotta set that up right. But we're almost done, and we can't wait to drop this on the floor.
Go jinx it.
Not go jinx it, bro. All right,
Nah, we almost done. Fuck that noise.
let's get this done. All right, so we already got the front end Pretty much only thing is left to put the sway link on it. We already secured the top. Yeah, we already secured the top. So once we put everything together, it's pretty much straightforward.
Got Juju on the beat, goddamn.
So this pretty much is what we've been doing for like a good minute. We're so used to this that it just becomes second nature. I mean, we did it with JG's G37.
Oh yeah, the YouTube channel coming on the move, goddamn.
So it looks really flush. We're trying to balance the level of, like, you know, stance, performance, and handling. We're not trying to do none of that extra slam stuff. And even my GTI, you can tell it's lowered, but still, like, you know, daily drivable. So we're really, like, I think we're just really getting used to this. So Jason's car is next. We're almost done. I can't wait to show it to see how it looks.
And then the Audi.
Oh yeah, and that black car over there too, that random black car. So we're finally done. Took us a little bit because we want to make sure we get everything right. So right now Jason is double checking everything, make sure all bolts are tight, make sure everything is secured. So the next step, put these wheels on and see what we're working with.
You're ready.
Yeah, about to hit this cold start.
Don't. It's embarrassing.
This is loud, dude. Woo! We're gonna take off. We're gonna let him go home. Let the suspension settle a little bit. And next time you see us, we're adjusting exactly what he wants. But honestly, for what it is, it's in a decent height. It's a little bit high right now, but we know it's gonna settle for a bit. So once it's settled, then we do our final adjustments. But he's happy, I'm happy. Job well done for everybody, man. So what's up, guys? So this is technically day 3. We let it settle for a couple days, and then he put his winter tires on, and even with the winter tires, it's actually kind of flush. I mean, for these are 17s, I wouldn't say flush actually, but it does have but he has 19s on his other wheels, so we know it's gonna fit perfectly. But with the 17, it looks kind of decent.